A step-by-step guide on relieving acid reflux. Acid reflux has the potential to ruin your daily activities. Watch this video for advice and information on your condition. When you have a firm grasp of the problem, you will be able to manage it and get your life on track once more. Acid reflux can be a normal reaction of eating too much or too quickly. If you've been experiencing the effects of acid reflux lately, change your eating habits. Improve the content of your meals by adding healthier choices and take the time to chew your food well. Your digestive tract will appreciate it, and you should not suffer with acid reflux so much. If you are a smoker, you must quit. Smoking can worsen or even cause acid reflux. It slows digestion, boosts acid production in the stomach, and limits saliva production. The esophageal sphincter is weakened as a result. That's one more reason it is a great idea to quit. Always keep gravity in mind. Remember that acid is being held down, so when you position your body in a way where down isn't towards your feet, problems will ensue. Keep your head up and your stomach uncompressed, then you should be able to find relief from acid reflux all day long. Stress can cause your muscles to contract, and when this happens to your stomach, acid will be pushed upwards. Try some relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation to reduce your stress and help you deal with situations which can be emotionally tumultuous. When you master these techniques, acid reflux may be reduced. Your sleep, job, and eating are greatly affected by acid reflux. Quit putting up with the pain and take action today. Before you sit down to another meal, use the tips in this video to get your symptoms under control. Try different methods until you find one that works for you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.